In this video, I am going to show you on how you can connect your Salesforce to your Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, click right here to access this, and on the drop-down menu, click on Admin Center. The next step would be to click on Apps and Integrations right here and then click on integrations. You should see the Salesforce option right here. So click on these three buttons, then connect. After that, click right here and then connect Salesforce. The next step would be to click on allow and log in to your Salesforce account. So once you allow it, wait for a few seconds. And then, as you can see, it's still currently inactive. So configure, then turn on send a ticket view for Salesforce. You can tinker with these options, but after that, click on save. And as easy as that, you've successfully connected Salesforce to Zendesk. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.